Welcome to my channel. How to set up your Hyperhub Router Zyxel EX5601. 1. Unbox the router, open the package and ensure all components, router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and quick start guide, are included. 2. Choose a central location, place the router in a central, elevated position for optimal Wi-Fi coverage. Avoid placing it near thick walls, metal objects, or electronic devices. 3. Connect the power adapter. Plug the power adapter into the router and connect it to a power outlet. Switch it on and wait for the power LED to stabilize. 4. Connect to the Internet source. Plug the Ethernet cable from your broadband modem or wall socket into the WAN port, usually blue or labeled Internet, on the router. Five. Wait for the router to boot. Allow the router to boot up fully. This may take 2 to 3 minutes. The status lights will indicate and the router is ready. 6. Connect your device to the router. Use a Wi-Fi enabled device to connect to the router. Look for the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password printed on the router label. 7. Access the router's web interface. Open a web browser and type the default IP address, e.g., 192.168.1.1, into the address bar. Log in using the default credentials, usually username, admin and password. 8. Run the quick setup wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your internet connection. Select your connection type, e.g., DHCP, PPPoE. 9. Test the connection. Connect your devices to the Wi-Fi network and test the internet connection. If everything works, the setup is complete. Thank you for watching.